Jake Rogers getting ready to blow in some insulation. He's got to cut a hole first for the attic. Well, you can kind of see where the studs are, though, where the nail holes are.
Yeah. That's I'm not gonna worry too much about like just be a straight line or whatever, you know.
Oh, yeah. Just try to cut along studs, right? I'll go get you the ladder.
Recording that whole time?
The whole time. You thought you were arguing with me for a reason?
Yeah. Anyway, our viewers probably have never seen a fat person go through a small hole before. So.
Do you need a hand away, or are you good?
I don't know what this thing called.
Just look around for wires first so you're not like dragging them around. You think you... What? Oh, you need a bigger ladder.
Why not that one?
They're probably all at the bunker house.
Hopefully I don't crack the drywall.
Don't step on it.
No, I mean like stepping up the workbench. Our viewers probably don't know this, but Heather popped her knee out of socket while doing TikTok yesterday, so TikToks are dangerous, so she's moving a little bit slower today, understandable so. She's still here helping, so good job, babe.
Yep.
Alright. Can I stand on this thing?
That looks a little risky.
Maybe you can hold the ladder.
I could.
I feel like I shouldn't go until we know what. Do you know what to do down there?
Nope.
Just go take the.
Babe, you haven't even run in it yet. That's kind of unfair to just like assume.
Hey, okay, calm down. I just wanted to get things set up in here, but I kind of don't want to go if you're not ready. Let's go. Let's just watch a YouTube video.
Okay, get the cords and maybe you should grab a ladder from the bunker house. This is Jake's switch that goes to the blower. Here's yours. What?
Oh, this isn't alright?
We really gotta get going with this if we're gonna do it today.
Okay.
Here's your switch thing. Maybe connect it to your pant loop or something. Just keeps coming off. Try this again. This thing on here.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.